Hi there. I'm so glad you're here for today's lecture on SWOT analysis. This is a powerful tool that can help you identify and understand the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a company or organization. SWOT analysis is used by companies all over the world, from small startups to multinational corporations, to make informed decisions about their future. It's a must-have tool in your business strategy toolkit. Now let's dive into the four components of SWOT. First up, strengths. This refers to the unique characteristics or abilities of a company that give it an advantage over its competitors. For example, Apple is known for its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, which are strengths that set it apart in the electronics market. Next, we have weaknesses. These are areas where the company may be lacking and can improve. For instance, Tesla has faced criticism for production and delivery delays, which is a weakness that could negatively impact its reputation and customer satisfaction. Opportunities refer to external factors that the company can take advantage of to grow or improve its business. For example, McDonald's has recently taken advantage of the growing demand for plant-based meat alternatives and introduced its McPlant burger, tapping into a growing market opportunity. And last but not least, we have threats. These are external factors that could negatively impact the company, such as changes in consumer preferences or new competitors entering the market. For example, the fast food industry has faced a threat from the rise of healthy eating and meal delivery options. The real magic of SWOT analysis comes from combining these four components and using them to inform your business decisions. By understanding your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you can make informed decisions that help you stay ahead of the curve and achieve your goals. Great! Now that we've covered the basics of SWOT analysis, let's dive a bit deeper. It's important to understand the difference between external and internal factors when conducting a SWOT analysis. External factors refer to the conditions that come from outside the company and are beyond its control. This includes things like changes in the economy, industry trends, and competition. Internal factors, on the other hand, are things that the company has control over, such as its own strengths and weaknesses, internal processes and procedures, and its culture and values. It's important to consider both internal and external factors when conducting a SWOT analysis. While you may have no control over external factors, you can still use them to your advantage by understanding their impact on your business and making strategic decisions to counteract any negative effects. On the other hand, understanding your company's internal strengths and weaknesses can help you make changes that improve your overall performance and competitiveness. So, now you have a good understanding of the differences between internal and external factors and how they impact a SWOT analysis. By considering both, you'll be able to gain a comprehensive understanding of your company's position and make informed decisions that help you reach your goals. Now let's put all of this into action. I want you to try conducting a SWOT analysis for a company you're familiar with, like Apple, Tesla, or McDonald's. Consider both internal and external factors and see how they come together to give you a clear picture of the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. I'm sure you'll find this exercise to be both insightful and exciting. I hope you found this lecture informative, and I can't wait to hear about how you'll use this tool in your own business ventures. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.